Hi there, I'm Leah from Rap Like Leah. Welcome to my IGTV channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't know, I just started singing that. Today I'm talking about face masks. Now I've had a lot of you messaging me over the past week and a half, 2 weeks, asking me if I make face masks, do I plan on making face masks? A lot of people telling me that I should be making face masks. At this point, I'm not currently making them because there isn't enough, in this country anyway, there isn't enough robust scientific evidence to suggest the benefits of wearing a homemade mask. Because when you're wearing a homemade mask, it's not made to meet medical requirements. So actually all you're wearing over your face is a bit of fabric attached to elastic. However, if it is something that you are interested in, I can show you a way to use a headscarf or a piece of fabric tied around your face that would have the same kind of benefits of buying a homemade mask. What you have to remember as well is that when you've had the mask on your face, you have put your germs on your mouth onto that fabric. So as soon as you've worn it, it will need to go in the wash. Surgical masks are designed to, one use, go in the bin. So please make sure if you are going to do this, that you are being sensible about it, you're using your common sense about it, and you're keeping it clean. So for this, I am using one of my old headscarves. Now this is one of my own personal ones. I'm obviously not going to use the ones on my Etsy store because that would be gross. This is one of my old ones. So what you need to do is just make sure when you've got this piece of material that's big enough to cover your nose and go under your chin, but obviously isn't going to cover your whole face because then you won't be able to see. And obviously that's not the point of the face mask. So I folded mine in half. I don't know if you can see that there. So they're meeting in the middle. From here, just going to cover my nose and make sure it goes under my chin. Once you've got to there, you want to take it round to the back. Do one tie as normal, and then you want to tie it again. From here, you're just going to tuck it in, there, and on the other side. That then gives you the option of wearing your own homemade mask out without you having to buy a face mask. If you want to be really fancy, you can wear a hat with it. All jokes aside, the most important thing you can be doing right now is washing your hands regularly, staying at home, and make sure you are social distancing as much as you physically can. Like I said, if you do want to wear a mask, you can just use something that you've got at home to cover your face, which will basically have the same effect as a fabric mask that you'll be buying from someone. I hope that's been helpful and useful, and that it hasn't been blasé about the situation. But yeah, stay safe, wash your hands, and wear a headscarf around the front of your face. Stay safe, everyone.